It all begins with a simple vision as the designer sketches the aerodynamic curves of the Tesla Model 3 on paper. Artisans use industrial clay to sculpt the physical form, refining every subtle line to ensure perfect aerodynamic efficiency and style. Advanced computer software turns sketches into precise three-dimensional models, allowing engineers to visualize the structure before production even starts. Aerodynamic testing is crucial as smoke trails reveal how air flows
We
over
need
the
to
body
adjust the
to
tolerances
maximize
here
range
on the
and
suspension
performance
assembly
efficiency.
before moving to the next
Detailed
phase.
technical blueprints map out every single component, ensuring that thousands of parts will fit together perfectly during the assembly. Massive coils of high-strength aluminum and steel arrive at the factory, ready to be unrolled and transformed into vehicles. Giant hydraulic presses strike with immense force, stamping flat metal sheets into complex door panels with incredible speed and precision. Automated robotic arms lift the freshly stamped panels, moving them efficiently to the next stage of the manufacturing production line. The stamping process continues as the hood is formed, turning raw cold steel into the recognizable face of the car. Rows of stamped metal parts travel along the conveyor belts, waiting to be assembled into the frame of the vehicle. Skilled workers inspect the raw metal surfaces for any microscopic imperfections, ensuring the foundation is flawless before moving any further. Excess metal scraps are collected and recycled immediately, maintaining an efficient and sustainable production process within the massive factory floor. The body shop comes alive as robotic arms spot weld the chassis, sending bright showers of yellow sparks flying everywhere. Precision robots lift the roof panel and fuse it to the side frame, creating a rigid and safe passenger cell. Advanced laser welding technology creates seamless bonds between metal parts, offering superior strength compared to traditional spot welding methods used. The unpainted doors are attached to the body frame with robotic precision, ensuring perfect alignment for the hinges and latches. The completed metal skeleton known as the body in white travels overhead, ready to receive its protective coatings and paint. Human welders perform detailed inspections and final manual welds on critical joints that require a specialized touch beyond robotic capabilities. High-tech laser scanners measure the body dimensions to the millimeter, ensuring every vehicle meets strict manufacturing tolerances and quality. Before painting can begin, the metal body enters a washing tunnel to remove oil and dust for a perfect surface. The entire body is submerged in an electrolyte bath to provide a robust layer of protection against rust and corrosion. The primed body travels through a long heated oven, baking the protective layer to ensure it adheres perfectly to metal. Robotic spray nozzles apply the base coat of paint, atomizing the liquid into a fine mist that covers every curve. Multiple robots work in harmony to apply the deep metallic blue color, ensuring an even and consistent finish all over. A final layer of clear coat is sprayed on top, locking in the color and providing a glossy, durable shine. The freshly painted body sits under intense ultraviolet lights, which cure the paint instantly to a hard and durable finish. Experts use specialized lighting to inspect the paintwork, looking for the smallest dust particles or imperfections in the glossy surface. The heart of the electric vehicle, the massive battery pack moves autonomously across the factory floor to the assembly line. Robotic arms assemble the electric drive unit, placing the copper-wound motor into its housing with extreme care and precision. Thick orange high-voltage cables are connected to the battery system, preparing to deliver massive power to the electric motors. The suspension components are mounted to the subframe, ready to provide a smooth and comfortable ride for the future driver. A robot applies a precise bead of waterproof sealant to the battery pack, ensuring it remains safe from all elements. In a process called the marriage, the painted body is lowered onto the chassis, joining the car and battery forever. Automated tools underneath the vehicle tighten the heavy bolts that secure the body to the skateboard chassis and battery pack. The charging port is installed into the side panel, serving as the critical connection point for powering the electric vehicle. High-performance brake calipers are fitted to the wheel hubs, ensuring the vehicle has powerful stopping power matching its acceleration. A specialized robot guides the fully assembled dashboard through the door opening, placing it perfectly into the driver cabin area. Workers route miles of complex wiring harnesses through the interior, connecting the computers to every sensor and light in the car. Robots apply a consistent layer of urethane adhesive to the edges of the windshield glass to ensure a waterproof seal. The front windshield is lifted and pressed into the frame by robots, completing the enclosure of the passenger cabin area. Workers carefully install the premium white seats, ensuring they are bolted down securely and the electronic adjusters are fully functional. The steering wheel is attached to the column, connecting the driver to the road and housing the driver airbag module. Interior door panels containing speakers and switches are snapped onto the metal doors, finishing the look of the car cabin. Sleek LED headlights are fitted into the front fascia, giving the car its distinctive look and powerful illumination for night. The rear tail lights are clicked into place and connected, ensuring the vehicle is visible and safe for everyone on the road. The painted front bumper is attached to the vehicle, hiding the impact sensors and completing the aerodynamic front-end design. Automated machines tighten all 5 lug nuts simultaneously, securing the aerodynamic wheels to the car with the exact torque required. Hoses automatically fill the vehicle with essential fluids like brake fluid and coolant, bringing the car systems to life internally. The auxiliary 12-volt battery is connected under the hood, powering the electronics, lights and infotainment system of the car. A worker repeatedly opens and closes the doors to ensure the latches work smoothly and the sound is solid quality. The central touchscreen comes alive for the first time, displaying the logo as the car computer boots up successfully. The car is driven onto a rolling dyno where the wheels spin at high speeds to test the electric motors. It passes through a bright light tunnel where striped reflections help inspectors spot even the tiniest dent in the bodywork. High-pressure water jets spray the vehicle from every angle to guarantee there are absolutely no leaks in the cabin. The suspension is tested on a vibrating platform to ensure no squeaks or rattles exist before the car leaves the factory. Quality inspectors measure the gaps between panels with precision tools, ensuring the fit and finish meets the highest luxury standards. The final step involves a thorough hand polish, removing any fingerprints and ensuring the deep blue paint shines like a mirror. Thousands of finished vehicles are lined up in the holding lot, ready to be shipped to customers around the world. Drivers carefully load the pristine cars onto transport trucks, starting the journey from the manufacturing plant to their new owners. Finally, the Tesla Model 3 hits the open road, delivering a quiet, powerful and sustainable driving experience.